Welcome children, this is your social class, continuation of chapter 3, how we communicate. The previous classes we are discussed about means of communication. So we are explaining the importance of postal service, telephone, fax and internet and email. Okay, and today we are going to learn about the importance of what is mass communication and the balance activities and question answers also. So tell me children, what is mass communication? So we are already discussed about personal communication. So mass communication means when a message or some information has to be delivered a large group of people, it's called mass communication. Okay, when a message or some information to be delivered a large number of people, it's called mass communication. The personal communication, we can choose how we communicate with a person or with a few people, it's called personal communication. നമ്മൾ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു ഒരാളുമായിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചെറിയൊരു കൂട്ടത്തിൽ കൂടുതലായിട്ടല്ല ചെറിയൊരു few people അവരുമായിട്ട് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനോ നമ്മൾ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു which communication we want to use, that is personal communication. So mass communication means when a message or some information we want to has to be delivered, നമുക്ക് കൊടുക്കണം എവിടെ, has to be delivered a large number of people, so it's called mass communication. So we want to deliver a large number of people, we are using which are the communications ഒരു ആളുകൾക്ക് മുഴുവൻ, for example we want to deliver this message through in our full of Calicut, this Calicut area, full people we want to deliver the message. So which means of communication we are using radio or television. So this type of communication we can use. So this is mass communication. So and also the another examples are newspapers, magazines, radio, television are the few examples of mass communication, and these can be used for education as well as entertainment. So this communication gives us the entertainment and the education purpose also we are using. In textbook, in this newspaper, magazine, they are providing important informations as well as they are given to the entertainment also. Okay children, and a large number of people can be reached through this media. Radio, television can be even reach people who cannot read and write. So what are the uses of radio and television? Who cannot read and write, വായിക്കാനും എഴുതാനും കഴിയാത്തവർ വരെ which medias they choose radio and television. If any person they can't read proper, so they can't hear the news and all, they are depending the radio. And the same also television, what happened, so they can if any person some person they can't to read and write, so they can watch and find out the new informations about in the television. Okay, so these are the important mass media's communication. Okay children, so the communication is divided into personal communication and mass communication. Okay children, this is our chapter. After that tick the correct answer also in your textbook. So first question, how many post offices are there in India? So that is nearly 1,55,000 post office in India. Second, where do we buy stamps and postcards from? Stamps and postcards we buy from, that the answer is post office. Third, which among these is the fastest means of communication? Which is the fastest means of communication is telephone. Fourth one, which of these can people use to surf the internet? We are using this magazine, laptop, radio. Which one is laptop? Fifth one is, which of these is a means of mass communication? Which of these is a means of mass communication? The answer is newspaper. Okay, and the match the columns. Pigeon is to carry messages, then urgent parcels, send the speed post, mobile phone to send SMS, radio reach many people. And the question answers also in your textbook, that is, how did early humans communicate? Tell me children, how did early humans communicate? The early humans communicate to use signs and sound. Okay, they are used signs and sound to communicate each other. Second, what is the difference between personal and mass communicate? Personal communication and mass communication and the difference, that is, we can choose how we communicate with a person or a few people. It's called personal communication. And mass communication means when a message or some information to delivered in a large number of people. It's called mass communication. Okay, so these two questions is very important. So what is the difference between mass communication and personal communication? Everybody want to write and study. Okay, third question, what are the advantages of using an emails? What are the advantages of emails? Email use ചെയ്യുന്നതിന്റെ ഗുണങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? Advantages means ഗുണങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? So that is, it can be fast, it can be used fast, and it can be sent anywhere. So that is the important points of advantages of emails. So the first point is it can be fast. Second point is it can be sent anywhere. So this is the 2 points advantages of email. The last question, how can a message be sent a large number of people? How can we? So which communication, so which service or which method we can use to send a group of or large number of people we want to deliver the message? So which are the methods we are follow? So that is, we can use radio, so many things are there, radio, then television, then newspaper, magazine. So lot of things are there. So these all communication also we are using to send a message delivered in the large number of people. So these are the question answers children. These are, every questions are very important. Read your textbook proper, every question write and study. Okay children, thank you.